in the American context, I think it's pretty clear that uh, two, two, two factors about the U.S. government. One is, of course, state governments and the responsibility that governors have to protect the order, the freedom, and welfare of their citizens. And clearly, that question has to come to mind in the case of some kind of severe tyranny. Uh, Obviously, don't like to think about these things, but uh, on the other hand, in the United States, of course, most technically, we would say that the Constitution is not the ultimate authority; it's the people behind the Constitution. I think that does invite us to ask the question: does that mean that we do have this authority to look over uh, the our magistrates to make sure that they're falling in line? And that, I think, is what makes it a little bit more cloudy. So uh, let me just suggest this: in the United States Constitution, there's clearly nothing that affirms a right to revolution.
Sure.
So there'd be something rather unsettling about the idea of taking clauses about revolution in the Declaration and putting it into the Constitution, which the framers explicitly did not do. And so that's not to say that obviously they affirmed a right to revolution, but that's not to say that they thought it would be a good idea to put it in there. We have a number of legal means in the Constitution for the people, something like uh, uh, Article 5, giving us the ability to amend the Constitution. And at this point, I'm trying to avoid the question of secession or nullification and so on. But uh, I do not think that there's necessarily a difference there.